Morning. It is Thursday. We're at TCI. It's like 8 o'clock, so show opens around 10. The classes are already going. I think they started at 7 or 7:30. This is check-in and the entrance to the show. I am going in early to rehearse a little bit and make sure that I don't sound like an idiot when I'm representing such a great brand like Vermeer. So we'll take you in a bit. See you guys. Alright, so show's not open yet, but surprise, we're here. Just here in the middle. Pretty huge space. St. Louis has been pretty awesome so far. Definitely lots of things to see and play with and buy. That thing's cool. I can carry a lot of stump bolts. I wouldn't need dumpsters anymore. But yeah, so let's get a little warmed up and get this show on the road, because this is going to be pretty awesome.
On trees since the 1950s. It started with stumps and inventing a new and better way to remove them, grinding instead of digging. And our lineup grew from there, equipping you with more efficient ways to turn brush or whole trees into chips, helping you process tough timber, grind debris productively, and turn it into a finished product and create new business opportunities for your company. We've delivered more versatility in the way you move around tree care job sites, and we grew a robust dealer network equipped with specialists who help you do more every day. Of course, our job isn't done yet. There's more important work to do, and that's why we've designed and built 2 new machines to help you do it. The next generation starts today. It starts now.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to TCIA, and more importantly, welcome to the Vermeer booth. Thank you for joining us. We're really excited to unveil a couple of new products here this morning, right at the front of our booth. We're going to send it over first to Brandon Nelson, and then over to Kyle Newendorf, and we've got a special guest here with us, Jeff Mahalik, as well, to talk about the other new product that we're going to unveil. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Of the stump cutter, Vermeer is proud to announce the 2 newest additions to our lineup, the SC1052 and the SC48TX.
Alrighty, we're going to talk about the SC1052 here in a minute with Kyle, but let's talk about the unit that packs the most power in its punch. We're talking the Vermeer SC48TX. Now powered by a 48 horsepower CAT 1.7 liter Tier 4 final and Stage 5 compliant engine, coupled with a direct drive cutting system. This unit is there to maximize productivity right at the stump. Now looking at this unit currently stands at 49 inches wide. That is what we call the working position. Now, one thing that's really great about the SC48TX is with the push of a button, you are able to retract tracks down to that 35-inch footprint to get yourself into some of those tight residential spaces. Let's not forget about the new VCS wheel on the SC48TX. Now, according to some tests that we've ran, we've been able to see that it's been 30% more productive at the stump. So pair that with the power of the SC48TX and the VCS wheel, this unit is ready for your next job site. Now, one thing that's been missing from the field for a little bit, and one thing I want to point out, is that the SC48TX, it is remote compatible, and we are ready to get these remotes out to the field with these units. So come take a look at how the SC40ATX can be the next unit for your stump grinding fleet. Now, I'll send it on over to you, Kyle.
Thanks, Brandon. Introducing the biggest, baddest Vermeer stump grinder on the market, the SC1052. Powered by a 115 horsepower, 4.3 liter Origin gas engine that eliminates the need for any recall. It's got a featured backfill blade, the VCS wheel, an optional remote control, just like Brandon said on the 48, and a hydraulically powered pedal wheel. We're going to be able to power through all those large stumps you have, or get through a ton of them. Another thing that I'd like to offer up is we have the dual wheels in the front. Those can be removed to get into any tight job sites, any 3-foot gates. But enough for me. Let's get it over to legendary Jeff Mahalik with Superior Stump Removal. Jeff?
Thank you, Kyle. I appreciate it. Guys, there's two things that matter when it comes to stump removal: high horsepower and dependability. Vermeer delivers on both. I got to run the SC1052 this summer, and I'm blown away by the performance, by the fuel efficiency, by the power it puts to it. This machine is awesome. Vermeer is always focused on some small things that make big changes. A movable exhaust, so it keeps the heat away from the operator. It also keeps the heat away from the structure if you're working next to a house. Heat has been redirected behind the dual tires. Not only does it keep the heat away from the operator, but it keeps debris out of the belly of the machine, preserving the life of your hoses. 4-wheel drive on a Vermeer stump grinder is legendary. It cannot be beat. Nothing beats it. I will go to bed on that. I've driven the machine into places it does not belong, and it does not let me down. Talk to a local Vermeer dealer. Get your hands on it. Talk to everybody here today. This machine is awesome. I highly recommend trying it out, and hopefully it's the next fit for your stump grinding fleet. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Jeff. If you guys have any further questions, come see Brandon or I or Jeff on these two machines. But we'll send it back up to you, Trevor.
All right, thank you, Jeff, Kyle, and Brandon for showing us the new innovative product we have here. We do have our product experts as well as our engineering teams here. Feel free to ask any questions that you have, engage with us. Also join us tonight for the Vermeer reception at the Anheuser-Busch Beer Garden from 5:30 to 8 o'clock. We'd love to see you there. Thank you and have a great show. Woo.
So Vermeer is keeping the party going. Show's over. I didn't film a lot, but we're at Anheuser-Busch. There's a brand new 1052 and an SC48 parked here. We're gonna go meet some Clydesdales, eat some barbecue, indulge in the good stuff. Here's an SC48 with the blade. It extends, it's 34 inches, and then you can pull the pins off, and it's 10 inches wider. So it'll be 54, which is wider than the footprint, which is awesome. Very, very good thinking. Sorry, not to sidetrack the whole thing, but pretty cool option. Alright, cool. So, horse. Heck yeah. Thank you, Vermeer. You're the best. Come.
I want to say so money about that.
Barbecue is definitely going to be a highlight.
Horse.
All right, friends, that's a wrap. That is it for Thursday, first day of Expo. Vermeer party was great. Show was great. 1052 is great. Vermeer is awesome. Thank you guys. I really, truly appreciate everything. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to try and do a full tour. Actually, I hope this gets uploaded tonight. We'll see how the Wi-Fi is doing. But tomorrow I'm going to try and film every booth. It's a lot of booths, but I'm going to try. So we'll see you guys. It's been awesome so far. Thank you, Vermeer. See you tomorrow.